Imagine a time before time. No stars, no galaxies, not even space itself. All matter and energy were compressed into a single, unimaginably dense point, the cosmic singularity. This point was smaller than an atom, yet it held the potential for everything in the universe. The laws of physics as we know them didn't exist here. Every star, planet, and living thing was once contained in this infinitesimal dot. There was no outside, no before. Space and time had not yet begun. This is the ultimate beginning, the starting line of our cosmic journey. From this singularity, the universe would be born. The transformation from this hot, dense state to the vast cosmos is the greatest story ever told. We are the legacy of that initial point. Understanding this beginning is the first step to understanding our place in the universe. The universe was about to begin its magnificent expansion. Everything we know, everything we are, traces back to this moment. Our story starts here, at the dawn of existence. The universe was ready to burst forth. Then, it happened. The universe began to expand. This was not an explosion in space, but an explosion of space itself, the Big Bang. In a fraction of a second, the universe inflated from subatomic to galactic scale. This rapid expansion, called cosmic inflation, set the stage for everything to come. The fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, strong and weak nuclear forces, emerged. The early universe was a searing, chaotic soup of particles and energy. It was too hot for atoms to form. Light was trapped in a dense fog of plasma. As the universe expanded, it cooled, allowing the first protons and neutrons to form. Gravity began to pull matter together in slightly denser regions, seeds of future galaxies. The universe was still opaque, but the stage was set for the next transformation. No stars, no galaxies, just a glowing, expanding plasma. The laws of physics were in place, guiding the cosmic evolution. Soon, the universe would become transparent. For nearly 380,000 years, the universe was a hot, opaque fog. Protons and electrons zipped freely in a sea of plasma, preventing stable atoms from forming. Light was trapped, unable to travel far. As the universe expanded and cooled, it reached a critical temperature, about 3,000 degrees Celsius. Protons finally captured electrons, forming the first stable atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. This process, called recombination, changed everything. The universe became transparent. Photons were set free. The light released then still travels today as the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. The CMB is a snapshot of the universe just after the Big Bang, a treasure map for cosmologists. Tiny fluctuations in the CMB reveal the seeds of all future cosmic structures. These ripples mark the slightly denser regions where galaxies would one day form. For the first time, the universe was visible. The fog had cleared and the cosmic story could truly begin. The universe was now a vast, dark expanse filled with neutral gas. The stage was set for the birth of stars. After the universe became transparent, darkness reigned, the cosmic dark ages. Gravity began to pull together clouds of hydrogen and helium, guided by tiny density fluctuations. Over millions of years, these clumps grew denser, their cores heating up. When the pressure and temperature soared, nuclear fusion ignited. The first stars were born. These giant stars burned hot and fast, forging heavier elements in their cores. Their explosive deaths as supernovae scattered these elements across space. The universe was seeded with the raw materials for new stars and planets. Gravity continued its work, forming galaxies, vast cities of stars. Our Milky Way is one such galaxy, a swirling collection of hundreds of billions of stars. Without stars, there would be no planets, no life. The era of light and structure had begun. The cosmos was alive with creation. Our story begins with the death of ancient stars. About 4.6 billion years ago, a cloud of gas and dust, enriched by generations of stellar explosions, drifted in the Milky Way. A nearby supernova triggered its collapse, setting our solar system's birth in motion. Most material fell to the center, igniting nuclear fusion and forming our sun. The sun's light and solar wind shaped the young solar system, pushing lighter gases outward. Remaining dust and gas clumped together, forming planetesimals through accretion. Collisions and mergers built the planets, including a small rocky world Earth. Early Earth was bombarded by asteroids and comets, shaping its surface. A colossal impact created our moon. The solar system was born from stardust, shaped by gravity and cosmic violence. Each planet, each moon, is a product of this chaotic genesis. Our origins are written in the rocks and skies. The stage was set for life. Early Earth was a molten, hostile world. Volcanoes erupted, and the sky was thick with toxic gases. Asteroids and comets bombarded the surface, delivering both destruction and vital ingredients. Over time, Earth cooled, a solid crust formed, and heavy elements sank to create a magnetic core. This magnetic field shielded the planet, allowing a stable atmosphere to develop. Water, delivered by comets and released by volcanic activity, began to accumulate. As the surface cooled, rain fell for millions of years, filling the first oceans. In these primordial seas, simple organic molecules formed, setting the stage for life. Through a series of chemical reactions, the first self-replicating molecules emerged. Life began as simple, single-celled organisms. Earth had taken its first breath. The planet was transformed from chaos to a cradle for life. The journey of life had begun. Look at your hand. The atoms within you have ancient origins. Hydrogen in your cells was forged in the Big Bang. Heavier elements like carbon and iron were created in stars. Supernovae scattered these elements across the galaxy, enriching the clouds that formed our solar system. The very atoms in your body are recycled stardust. We are literally made of the universe. The cosmos is within us. We are its way of knowing itself. Every star is a potential ancestor. Every galaxy a chapter in our story. When you gaze at the night sky, you see your own origins. We are the living legacy of cosmic evolution. Stardust, come to life. The universe had a beginning, and it will have an end. Its fate depends on the battle between gravity and dark energy. One scenario, the Big Freeze. The universe expands forever, stars burn out, and darkness prevails. Another, the Big Crunch. Gravity reverses expansion, collapsing everything into a singularity. Or the Big Rip, dark energy tears galaxies, stars, and even atoms apart. Each ending is dramatic, but all mark the close of the cosmic story. The universe's fate remains uncertain. Our time is a fleeting chapter in this grand narrative. The cosmos will change, but its story continues. We are witnesses to a universe in motion. The end is as mysterious as the beginning. Our journey has spanned from the birth of the universe to the rise of life and consciousness. The universe made us, and now we seek to understand it. Our curiosity drives us to explore, to ask where we come from and what our place is. Each discovery adds to the cosmic puzzle. Great mysteries remain: dark matter, dark energy, the origins of life. We are stardust, animated by curiosity, living in one of the universe's most exciting chapters. By seeking to understand the cosmos, we understand ourselves. The adventure of discovery is just beginning. The universe's story is our story.